Hey guys, welcome back to Jay's Car Channel. I got another video for Solution Finish. This is a cowl cover on a 2011 Crown Victoria. You can see just how funky this thing is. Ashy, like Ashy Larry, baby. Before I really get into the video, if you guys haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up, man. It helps me out a ton. I just got over 100 subscribers. It's awesome. People are coming in and liking the content and commenting and subscribing and all kind of stuff. So it really makes me ecstatic. I love it, man, and I'm just looking forward to connecting with more people. So please do subscribe and please like and please comment. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do the cleaning portion of this video, and then I'm going to bring it back during the application stage of Solution Finish. So after the cleaning step on the cowl, it's made quite an improvement. The lower portion, which sits underneath the hood, looks brand new. But once you get up here to the part that's in the sun, you can definitely tell that has been faded out. So I think what my plan is going to be, instead of doing the whole thing with Solution Finish, because these lower portions look fine, I'm going to just hit this top portion up here, so all the way from one side to the other with Solution Finish, and show you guys what the result is. So here I'm going to demonstrate application of Solution Finish on this cowl. And as I mentioned, I'm just going to do the upper section here, and I'm just going to stop about right there to make a really small section that I can focus on so you can see the difference. I've already shaken the bottle up. I've got the applicator. I'm only going to put a couple of drops in it. You really don't need much, but keep in mind as you apply Solution Finish that it does bond and start to absorb into the surface. So you want to spend a couple of minutes on even a small section and go back and forth quite a number of times to make sure you get an even application. Speeding it up here, you can definitely tell immediately it makes a huge difference. I'm going back and forth across the section a number of times. After I've done this, I'm going to wait 3 or 4 minutes, and then come back with a microfiber and level it off. But as you can tell, it's making a drastic difference. If you look from left to right, you see the fade, and then it looks brand new on the right. So on to the next step. Okay, so now I've applied one layer of Solution Finish to the top portion of the cowl. You may notice that it looks extremely dark and rich and nice and factory. So now the finishing touch will be to apply over the top sealant. And I'm just going to show this section here. Shake it up, put a little drop on the applicator. Sometimes I like to butterfly the applicator. And I'm just going to go applying this. So what you'll do now is you'll let that sit for 30 minutes, and you can come back and put a second layer over the top, and should be good. Seal it in for 6 to 12 months. I'm hoping for at least a year out of this. No matter what, it already looks way better, so I'm happy with the result. If you have a vehicle that has a lot of black trim on it, and it's been faded, this will bring it back. Again, if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. I really appreciate all the viewership, and just right at 100 subscribers. I'm trying to get to 1,000, and you guys can help me out a ton, and I really appreciate it. So thanks for your time, and see you guys on the next one. Thanks.